State Farm, that's right, the insurance company and other car insurance companies are giving refunds because of the coronavirus. I'm about to go over how you can get your discount. Once again, State Farm and other car insurance companies are giving refunds because of the coronavirus. Now, the country's largest auto insurer is sending $2 billion back to customers, joining Allstate, Geico, Liberty Mutual, USAA, Chubb, and other insurers making deals for customers. That's right, they're giving you refunds as a result of the coronavirus. Now, let me explain. Now, as some auto insurance companies start giving refunds and credits to commuters stuck at home during the coronavirus outbreak, there's an easy way drivers with other carriers can catch the same break. Just pick up the phone and ask. State Farm, the country's largest auto insurer, said last Thursday that it would give policyholders an approximate 25% credit on premiums that have been paid between March the 20th and May the 31st. The credit from the country's largest auto insurer will return $2 billion to policyholders on 40 million vehicles. And then Chubb Insurance, they said it will offer a 35% premium reduction for April and May and will give out additional discounts over the subsequent months. Allstate and Liberty Mutual are issuing 15% refunds on premiums, and the companies announced that last week as well. Family members, Berkshire Hathaway, their company, Geico, said last Tuesday that it will give a 15% credit as policies come up for renewal between now and October. And American Family Insurance is issuing a one-time $50 refund per covered vehicle. Now, Farmers Insurance and its subsidiary, 21st Century Insurance, is giving drivers a 25% reduction in April premiums. And USAA, a bank and insurer geared towards military members and their families, announced a 20% credit for auto insurance policies holders on 2 months of premiums. Progressive Insurance also unveiled a 20% credit on the April and May premiums as well. Now, family members and listeners alike, the flurry of discounts and rebates makes it an appropriate time for drivers with policies elsewhere to see what their car insurance companies can do for them as well. You see, you've got leverage at this particular time, and you better be sure that other insurance companies, they want to hold on to their customers. They want to make sure that they keep their customers happy, and they want to treat their customers right. Now, when you pick up the phone and call your insurance company, the pitch doesn't have to be complicated. All you have to do is note that the rates are based on normal conditions. These are not normal conditions upon which we're currently living. And make reference to the other insurance companies that I just mentioned that are offering reductions and or rebates. Now, when you call in, you need to remind your insurer about the refunds that some of the competitors are giving. This can also emphasize the fact that they are driving much less, You need to emphasize that fact that you're driving much less now because what? You have a stay-at-home edict that has been put out, And this makes the drivers that are out there on the road, and when you do drive, it should make the situation less risky to insure and justify a lower premium. Now, you can tell your company, quote, your risk is way lower. Therefore, your premium, should be lowered as well. Another strategy could be to at least ask for an adjustment in the amount of mileage that's factored into a premium. As a result of this, it's likely that your insurer, along with all these other insurers that have reduced premiums and or issuing rebates, they will make some sort of deal with you with regards to your car insurance policy. Now that a few of the bigger companies are offering money back during a time when many really could really use it, it may be a bad optic to resist. Therefore, your insurance company, if it's not currently offering some type of rebate or a premium set aside, will be inclined to do so. So it might be a good time for you to shop around if your insurance company refuses to do so. Okay? But you shouldn't cancel your policy coverage altogether without a new policy in place. Many states penalize drivers who have a registered car without insurance, and insurance companies can charge for a lapse in premiums. And even if your insurers aren't currently giving refunds or credit, they may be offering perks like lengthening grace periods or waiving late fees. So, at the end of the day, you must understand and understand, as a result of car trafficking plummeting, okay, as states impose shelter-in-place orders, and scores of companies have told employees to work from their homes, personal travel has been declining for 3 to 4 straight weeks as I speak. And from late March to early April, personal travel traffic in the United States dropped 47%, beloved, compared to traffic in late February. State Farm, as I indicated, announced that due to that sharp drop, quote, State Farm said this now, quote, we insure more cars than anyone, and we see from our claims activity, people are driving much less. This dividend is one of the ways we're working to help our customers during these unprecedented times, end quote. State Farm. So family members, reach out, touch your automobile insurance carrier, and get a reduction in your premium. We're giving you information that will allow you to not only obtain but also maintain your economic liberation as you monetize all things, even the coronavirus, and the reduction, okay, in your auto insurance premium. Just rest assured that the ancestors and the Creator have everything in hand, and everything is indeed going to be all right. All you have to do is focus and maintain the right moral, fiduciary, and spiritual intent, and utilize our Access Wealth Institute strategies to get PA